Welcome back to the Manny and Shawn Experience. Today we're heading to Orlando to do another room tour. This one's the True by Hilton at the Orlando Convention Center area, which is literally about 5 or so minutes from the hotel. When you first walk into the hotel, you're greeted by a massive lobby, lots of places to sit, lots of little work areas like this one that you're seeing right now. They even have individual ones. They also have a pool table if you're interested in playing some games. This hotel reminds me a little bit of Marriott's Aloft version. They also have a bar that's open from 5 to 10 or 5 to 11 on the weekends. And then you also see they have happy hour, plenty of places to sit. In the mornings for breakfast, this is very busy, but also in the evenings, we found it to be pretty busy with people playing games, people socializing, people enjoying the bar. It's great to see a nice big lobby where you can find a place to sit, maybe do some work, or just hang with your friends and family. The bar drinks were pretty good. Definitely take advantage of the happy hour. There's also some foosball if you're into that. So the games were pretty busy most of the time that we were here and every time we walked through the lobby. As we get ready to go into the room, we had our room on the seventh floor, room 700, specifically the one king bed. As you can see, the bed looks comfortable. It was comfortable. The only downside for the bed myself were the pillows. The pillows were very flat. So if you are a pillow connoisseur, you may want to bring your own or maybe see if they have some other pillows that they can provide to you. As you can see, the room is pretty small, but they've made do with the space available. There's a desk working area there for you, some extra storage there under the bench. I don't know who would sit on that because you would be blocking the TV, but the bench is there available for you as well. This is what they have as a closet. You see, you have your ironing board, your iron there, and under this little table here, you also have a fridge. I did say under the bed storage, I assume it's just to put your luggage. There was no actual storage bins or anything there to store any clothes. These hooks were pretty cool. We put our bags on there, so definitely make use of the space they have. Moving on to the bathroom, these are the canisters that have the lotion and hand soap. Never seen that before. I've usually seen like little bottles, but those are pretty unique. But it is available to you. Not a lot of storage here under the sink either. As you can see, housekeeping is done every other day, but if you needed anything, you can always call down or chat with the reception and they'll get it over to you. Bathroom, I love this bathroom. Recently, we've stayed in hotels where there's no door and the water is just pouring out of this shower. Thankfully, they have a door. There was no water running out of the shower. The shower is big enough. They also provide your essentials: body wash, shampoo, conditioner. Water pressure was a little low for us. If you're into water pressure, I know a lot of people like heavy water pressure. I don't know if it was this specific room or just this hotel in general. Water pressure was a little low. The hotel is also equipped with quite a few USB ports by the bed, near the TV, so you definitely have places to charge all of your gadgets. It's somewhat of a smart TV, lots of different apps that you can log into, your iHeartRadio, your YouTube. They even have games that you can play, though we tried playing them with the remote. It was a bit challenging, but still could be fun if you're traveling with kids, something to keep them occupied. We were playing Pac-Man here. The pool area is another area that's pretty big, and to the few hotels we've stayed at recently, this is actually one of the bigger pools we've stayed at. Really nice pool. It was very cold when we went, but very good to refresh after a hot day here in Florida. Plenty of chairs around, as you can see. I wish I had a few more umbrellas, but besides that, plenty of seating if you're looking to go to the pool. Every time we went, wasn't really all that busy. Didn't have any issues finding seats or an umbrella. Breakfast, they have a full hot breakfast from 6 to 10 every day, which is very uncommon. You can see there real quickly, they also have some grab and go items that you can purchase. So chips, sodas, those kind of things. They have those available for you here at the check-in desk. Again, this is all the breakfast items that's included with you. You can make pancakes, you can toast breads, bagels. They have all that available for you, in addition to all the great stuff you can put on toast. In addition to that, as you move further down, they have juices. They have different kinds of juice. They have different kinds of milk. Actually, it's just 2% milk. And then they also have the hot breakfast items, whether it's eggs, sausage, bacon. It kind of alternated while we were here. They have oatmeal. They also have a yogurt station where you can pour out, and then some cereals. And then also to the left of the yogurt station, a couple of things you can put in your yogurt. This is our breakfast, just to give you an idea. We were preparing for a day in the park, so we were loading up on food. We didn't get to go to the gym, but they do have a gym on property. I wish I knew about the gym, because they do have that water refill station, and it would have kept me from having to buy water. So quick tip there, you can always go there. You can check in on your phone for this particular hotel through the Hilton's app, which I thought was really cool. It was my first time staying at a newer Hilton. Have never experienced the app before, but you can actually pick the floor you want to be in. And then you can also pick the room you'd like to be in. We picked the one furthest away from the elevators. That blue section I just circled there is the elevators and the ice machine. The ice machine is literally in front of rooms. If you are a light sleeper, you may not want to select a room near the elevators and ice machine. But all you do is select that room. It'll only show you the rooms that are available based on what you purchase. Once you select the room, it tells you all the amenities available to you. And then you'll click pick this room again, and then you're going to click again pick this room, and then it's going to take you to the following screen where you'll tell them what time you anticipate checking in. You'll need to add a credit card there. You'll also identify if you want a digital key. We still had to check in at the check-in desk once we arrived. I think it's because you have to pay for parking, and they connect parking to your room versus you having to take a ticket every time you come into the hotel. As you can see, check-in's all done. Click OK, and then you're out of the app. But again, we had to go to the check-in desk. Parking is $20 a night. Housekeeping is every other day. There's not a lot of storage, at least in the one king room. So if you need a lot of storage, keep that in mind. Maybe pack a little light. It is very central to many of the attractions, Disney, Universal, and such. And again, free breakfast, online check-in, hotel key protected elevators, so if security is important to you, this is a great option for there as well. We really enjoyed this hotel, and we hope you'll join us for another room tour in the near future. Take care.